Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you disable makeup so on your meetup. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on me down here. You just click here on me. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click on general here. When you just click here on general, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So then you come here to my makeup. Just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.